Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It is the beat for me, it's the glitter for me, it's the lip gloss for me, it's all that for me, okay? Let me move my hair down a little bit so I can really be looking like a bad bitch when I'm talking. There we go. Get into it. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya if you're new here, and I do beauty videos and makeup videos a lot, but I do vlogs as well and random stuff as well too that I get into. Today is a makeup look. It's this glitter cut crease look with some gloss, sister girl. Okay, ready for the girls. Okay, I just can't wait to really go out and be able to stunt in my makeup again. Like, I just feel like the opportunity has not presented itself for me, but that's okay. But let's get into this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video and you enjoy looking at me do videos of my makeup. Subscribe, please. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Oh my god, it's DJ's song. You really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm dope. Cause you serve me on the second Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
go into carving out the area where we're gonna put our glitter. And I got this new base color from P. Louise. It's a, I think it's Police, but it's like P. Louise. And I wanted to try it because, like, I don't know, I've seen some other people trying it and this base looks bomb. It's AF. Bomb AF! So I'm gonna try it. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm so excited to try it. So it's P. Louise base Rumor 5. So this is the color 5.
Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be? I tried and I tried to avoid, but this thing was happening. Swallow my pride, let it ride and parted, but this body felt just like mine. I got worried, I looked over to the left, a reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, oh my. Oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, oh my. Ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, oh my. Ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be? I looked over to the left.
I was looking so good I couldn't reject myself.
I looked over to the left.
I was feeling so good I had to touch myself.
I looked over to the left.
I was eyeing my thighs, but a pecan brown.
I looked over to the left.
Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down.
Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, oh my. Oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, oh my. Ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, oh my. Ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be? Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be?
Empire. You know I can sing it.
Todd, can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up. Put your ass in there.
Show you a little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And Shorty got the fatty, body. And Shorty got the fatty,
Todd, can you play that
Show you a
again?
little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And Shorty got the fatty, body, body, body. Shorty catch your body, body, body. Show you a little body,
Bend it over, bend it over, bend it
show them a little body thing.
bend it, come on, bend it over, come on.
And Shorty got the fatty,
Bend it, bend it,
show me catch your body.
Bend over and arch your back, 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 arch your back.
Show you a little body, show them a little boo thing. And Shorty got the fatty, Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with I run, I on the covers, and I kept it on the collar. It's on kiss and tell. Hey, Todd, turn me up.
You know I need to stand up.
bend it
Stand up.
over, bend it
Stand up
over,
until I look
bend
into
it
your eyes.
over, bend it
Stand up.
over, bend it,
Stand up.
come on, bend it
Stand up until I look
over,
into your eyes. Stand up. Stand up. Show vibe. Give me you getting high. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up until I look into your eyes.
Body, 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 body. Show them a little body, damn body, body, body. And Shorty got the fatty, body, body, body. Shorty be catching body swings, body, body. Shorty a little body,
bend it over, bend it over, bend it
show them a little boo,
over, bend it, come on, bend it over, come on.
And Shorty
It's your vibe, and me you
Show
getting
me
high.
catch your mood swing.
It's your vibe, and me you getting high.
Are you really a hot boy?
Hot boy,
Oh, check me.
boy. What's your name? Cause I'm impressed. Can you treat me good? I won't settle for less. You a hot boy, a rock boy, a fun toy, total Glock boy. Where you live? Is it by yourself? Can I move with you? Do you need some help? I cook boy, I'll give you more. I'm a fly girl, and I like those hot boys.
Say what?
Baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper. Got them platinum visas. Hot boys, baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Jaguars and the Bentleys and the Rolls Royce, playing hardballs with them platinum visas. Is that your car, the SK8? Are you riding alone? Can I be your date? Come get me, get me. Don't diss me, don't trick me. Got some friends, can they come too? Can you hook them up with some boys like you? A hot boy, a rock boy, a top boy, and I like those hot boys.
Say what?
Baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper with them platinum visas. Baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Jaguars and the Bentleys and the Rolls Royce, playing hardball with them platinum visas. Yeah, I'ma dig in your pockets, dig in your wallets. Is that money I'm founding? Yeah, you got my heart pounding. You a hot boy, drive a drop boy, with a lot boy, and you told a Glock boy. Give me no reason, I know that you're treating these diamonds I'm needing. Make me believe it. I want a lot boy, with a hot boy, got a fun toy, and you told a Glock boy. Hot boy, baby, you got what I want. Won't you really come and satisfy me? I be loving you like endlessly, every day, all day. Hot boy, baby, you got what I want. Won't you really come and satisfy me? I be loving you like endlessly. Oh, yes, I will. Where the Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps and the Bentleys and the Jaguars and the fly cars. Where you at? Yeah. Where your Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps and the Bentleys and the Jaguars and the fly cars. Where you at? I'm out. Hot boys, I like them like that.
Okay, so this is the final look. Yes, this is the final look. I'm just in love with it, to be honest. Oh, what was it? Nah, kidding. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with me. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.